All right, so I'm out with Finn and Trevor at an indoor flying, our first indoor flying session of the year, and they've got a new spy drone.
Yeah.
So tell us all about it, guys. What's it called?
It's called the Sentry.
Yep.
It's a AI spy drone connected to your phone, as you can see. You can record off of it. Has different speed settings. It's just, yeah, it's a bit of fun.
Something which it can do. It's got, I don't know how it does it, but it will pick up on people, and it highlights individuals. It tells you how many people it can see in the image.
Oh, I see. So image recognition of people and vehicles, I think you
that's the
said.
better way of putting it, yeah. But yeah, it does vehicles as well, but it actually counts how many it sees. So I should imagine this would be really good fun to use, like if you were like into like your paintball and that, because it looks just like the ones.
Well, yeah, this is
use,
derived from an actual US military spy drone.
Yeah.
It's inspired by that. So
And it kind of works the same. You could definitely use it to spy.
see if you look at the front, you've got a camera on there.
Yeah, you can change the angle of the camera.
Oh, it pitches up and down, does it?
yeah,
As well?
Yeah.
pictures up and down. There's quite a couple of cool options you can do, but you have to do it through your phone. Shall we see if we can show you? I don't know if that'll pick up, but if I press that button there, then pan round, you see how people are coming up green,
Oh, yeah.
and the number changes on the top.
And the cameraman, yes.
Yeah.
And it's showing the number of people and the number of vehicles that
Yeah.
it recognises.
Luckily, no vehicles as we're indoors.
So proper AI.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So,
All right.
Yeah.
So let's fly it. It's a helicopter basically with a bit of intelligence
Yeah.
and a camera on the front.
Yeah.
Okay, give it a go, guys.
All right, over to you then, Finn. I'll let you. You might as well do the hand launch as well. Oh, hang on.
You might need to hold it.
Yeah. I think you go throttle. Oh, okay. Let's do that then. You got it? I think in theory, you should just let go of the sticks, and it should stay exactly where you leave it.
Ah, okay. Auto hover. Okay, so while you're doing that, let's have a look at the screen. You fly it, Finn.
Are you still recording the image?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. You can actually take still images as well with it. It doesn't have to just be a video. All the footage is stored on your phone, so you don't have to worry about...
Do some cool FPV
Yeah,
drones.
like-
So if you turn around, Finn, see if you can, it picks up everybody on the other side.
Wait, I need to turn on that mode.
I'll tell you what, while he's flying that, shall I go and stand up on the balcony upstairs and see if you can find me?
Yeah, if you like,
Yeah?
yeah.
All right.
Well, we've detected the people on the ground down there, 2 or 3 people
Yeah, so it can't.
around the TARDIS, that's us.
Yeah.
So he's wandered off, has he?
Yeah, I see him.
Alright, you found me, yeah?
Yep, it's picking you up as well.
Oh, there he is.
I'm being really close to the ceiling. Yeah.
Can you fly closer to him?
Yeah, let's try.
Oh, he's coming in closer.
Can you wave? Brilliant.
Nice. Yeah, it has a pretty decently detailed camera, and it's pretty cool because I
It's a
can,
pretty good quality image,
yeah, and
considering it's so small.
'cause also I can turn up my speed settings, so now it's even quicker. So it should move a bit quicker now.
It is. I wonder if you can follow Alex's plane around.
I'll try.
You try. Just,
Oh yeah, there he is down there,
yeah.
flying 3D.
That's going to be interesting playback, I think.
Where is he? Oh, he's behind me there.
Yeah.
Right, let's pick up everyone on the ground.
So looking at it, Finn, you're not really having to use the sticks much. You literally just, it looks
There you
really
are.
stable. Oh, okay.
Pretty much everyone. Keeps coming up to 4, so 4 people.
I think you could have a lot of fun with that, I think, just with those...
I had a version of this 2 years ago, and it certainly didn't do this image recognition. That's quite a step up.
And it has like speed settings. Don't know if that was on the
Different
old
speed settings, so you can go slow or fast, right?
one. Yep.
just out of interest, what's it like to fly just for fun if you weren't worried about the photography side?
Where is it up
Is
there?
it quite fun to fly?
Or if I do it line of sight, it feels like your average or your normal drone.
Yeah, flies just like a drone.
Or I say drone heli.
Do you reckon that'd be fun flying around like your house?
Oh yeah, you can well fly around your house. I've just done the highest speed setting, line of sight.
Yeah. Is that so you could use that to spy on your brother
Yeah. Might end up
or your mum and
using
dad? Is that as fast as it goes forwards? Oh no, it goes really fast.
that. Yeah, that was just me kind of leaving it.
Ah. That was pretty quick then.
Where'd he go?
It's gone.
Yeah, that's quick. You could do it. I reckon you could definitely chase.
Chase relatively
That's on
fast
slow
moving.
speed setting.
Yeah. That would definitely keep up with someone who's like was running away from you, wouldn't it?
Yeah. And it's gone.
Does it state what the maximum flight time is with this, Trev?
They reckon about 15 minutes. You get 3 batteries with it, which that on its own is great really. So in theory you could have about 45 minutes flying time. It comes with a USB charging leads.
So if you've got a battery pack to charge off, you could just keep flying the whole,
Yeah,
the
you
whole
could
time.
keep going. The battery packs actually make part of the, don't know what you call it, the spy drone. Maybe when he lands it, I could detach the battery and just show you, because the battery's got their own built-in power lights, so you can see how much charge it's got in it.
I see.
That's
Okay.
really handy.
Yep.
Yeah, the batteries seem to charge quite quick. They didn't take long to charge. Can I try another feature on that camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think if I press this, it will show people's limbs. So if you hover it close to me, where are you?
Well, it's going to change us into stickmen.
Yeah, be like stickman. Oh, there you are. So if I do this,
Yeah, I can see all of that.
yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's strange. I don't know why you'd want that feature, but it's pretty
there.
cool though. So
Do you know what I
can-
think it's doing? I think that's showing how it's identifying us as,
Oh, with the limbs and
with limbs and everything.
Yeah.
So it's identifying us as
2 legs and 2 arms.
people, yes. It'd be interesting to see outside. We'll do a future video how it identifies a vehicle, probably from its wheels and from
Yeah,
the body, I would guess.
that's a good point.
So,
Brilliant.
Yeah, it looks really easy to fly. It looks like it kind of flies itself. Would that be right in saying that, Finn?
yeah.
Well, much like a drone. So
Yeah.
controlling it on the sticks exactly like a drone, so fairly intuitive. And look how long we've been flying. Been flying quite a while now.
Does it actually say... does it
5
say
to 10 minutes, I would guess.
Yeah,
Or it's, because since I've started recording, it's been flying for 9 minutes.
9 minutes and it's still going strong.
Yeah, pretty good.
I think as well, it's got a sensor, so it won't get too low to anything underneath.
Oh, okay.
So if you bring
Collision
it for a landing-
detection underneath, which is
Yeah.
probably helping it hover.
Pretty cool.
It is, isn't it?
Should I bring it in for a landing?
Yep.
Yeah.
I think we've shown everything we need to.
Oh, we can see how much charge it
Yeah,
actually
see
has.
what happens when you bring it close to the ground, because I think it shouldn't just, you shouldn't just be able to plonk it in the ground, it should come down quite slow.
Yeah, it kind of moved itself back up.
Oh, yeah, to see that, it can, so it won't crash into the ground,
Yeah.
Let's land.
so it can definitely sense where the ground is.
There we go.
What I'll do then, I'll just quickly show you the batteries, because they're pretty neat. So I don't know if you can see there, we've only used half the power in the pack. What's that,
Wow.
about 9 minutes flying, I think?
Yeah.
So to change the battery, literally slide it forwards.
And take it off like
That's
that.
your battery,
It
and
just
there's-
clips in underneath.
And it
Yeah,
has the built-in lights to show how much charge it has.
yeah. So it comes with 3 batteries, so you'd have loads of flying time. You get spare propeller blades as well.
Yep.
But yeah,
Lots of fun and all in one little package.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
You think 10 years ago you would have had to have paid the US government a few $1 million for this type of technology?
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's so small. I mean, if you had a top pocket, you could put it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's tiny, isn't it? I reckon you get up to all kinds of mischief with that.
A lot of mischief.
Yeah, definitely.
So please, if you do buy one of these, be aware of your local laws around privacy and everything like that before you get into trouble.
Yeah.
Great. Thanks very much for the demonstration, Finn and Trevor.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll have to do a video outside sometime to show how it performs outside and recognising vehicles as well. That would be good.
Sounds good.
All right, thanks again. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. But thanks for watching. If you enjoy what we do, please subscribe. Bye, everybody.
Adios.
That's
my catchphrase. Stop copying me.
Oh, stop arguing.
Yep, it's picking you up as well.
Oh, there he is.
I'm being really close to the ceiling. Yeah.
Can you fly closer to him?
Let's try.
Can you wave? Brilliant.
Nice.